The forms in this body of work are inspired by an amalgam of both pre-modern combat weaponry and these gynecological instruments. Like some of the handles are like roughly play off of like the shapes of these retractors and depressors and stuff like that. The way that like these were used on women's bodies, they might as well have been just like weapons to just dominate and terrorize us. That's what they did. The condition of being a woman has always been a weapon. What happens when we decide to wield it ourselves?